I'm a human, we make mistakes. You tell me, brother, this, I suggest that. It's taken. But the minute there is negativity, don't allow it to make you negative. Understand that this is the beginning of a huge positivity that's coming in my direction. I just need to navigate it correctly. That's the lesson. Navigate it. How? You need to. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اصبروا وصابروا ورابطوا واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون. Allah says, you know what? You're going to have to bear patience. Oh, you who believe. You're going to have to be conscious of Allah. You're going to have to be strong upon understanding and accepting the decree of Allah. You have to be patient. And you have to hold fort. And you have to be conscious of Allah. Develop your relationship with Allah. Taqwa. Your piety, your connection with Allah. Allah says, لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. So that you can ultimately succeed. So that you can be successful.